Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I just want to take a quick moment to talk about the Blackview A90, which is a new phone that's just being released and is available for pre-sale today on Aliexpress in the next few days. You can get this on sale for $113.99, which is around $86 off. Normal price is going to be around $199 plus, depending on the amount of storage that you get. I just wanted to kind of bring this up as it is an opportunity to get a pretty good sale on this device. Hopefully I'll be reviewing this at some point in the future on the channel and taking a look at it and giving you my opinions. But I have looked at Blackview devices in the past and have found them to be very good for the price. Definite budget option if you're looking for a mid-priced phone. So definitely take a look at the links below, find out more information about this device. You can also stay tuned because Blackview is launching a new brand called Osco in June, which will bring more cost-effective products to the market. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.